Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and we are going to talk about what can we expect with Bitcoin and Ethereum to happen right now. So let's zoom in, guys. Let me show you, as of right now, because as I started to record this video, we had this huge liquidation week going down here, you can see. So please be careful. If you trade right now, don't be in over leveraged positions. Otherwise you could get liquidated, okay? As you know, we've been trading in this ascending triangle, which is actually more like to break out to the upside, okay? Then we had this huge breakdown because the Fed announced that there will be a rate hike. Then the touchdown actually till we reach this white support line that has been going on for a long time. And then Bitcoin had this fake out here. Then we traded around this support line here. And as you can see right now, we had this huge wick to the downside, okay? And as of right now, we are trading above this $27,500 resistance or support level. In this case, now we have support, okay? And it would be really, really bullish if we could have at least a 4-hourly close above the $28,800 level, because this is a huge resistance as of right now, okay, guys? So in the afternoon, the durable goods orders will be released. So this could also cause some price fluctuations and volatility in the market. So please be careful if you trade with leverage, okay? So let's check Ethereum. What can we expect here? We also had this huge liquidation week, and as of right now, we are trading around, actually perfect confluence, around the white and the blue support line. If you want to trade, guys, check out the links in the description. You will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my links. And what can we expect here, okay? Check out the RSI. What will happen in the next couple of hours, because this is a very interesting zone right here, because we have confluence between the white and the blue lines here, okay, both acting as support right now. And as you can see here, we could even go lower. If you would break those support lines, we could go, let's say, at about $1,700. This price level we could test until we make maybe the next move to the upside, okay? So please be careful if you trade with leverage, don't get liquidated, okay? So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.